Hello, Group 1, Mrs. Nelson here, and we are going to be working on Group 1 stuff. So make sure that you have a pencil and a piece of notebook paper because you're going to do this all by hand. Let's get going. So stop the video at any time when you write this down. You need to turn this in on a piece of notebook paper. Let's get going. Okay, so we are going to work with area and perimeter of a rectangle. So let's draw our rectangle. And we're going to label the length, which is the long side. The length, on this case, it will be 7. And our width, that's from top to bottom, and that will be 6. So now, to be able to figure this out, we need to do the area. And you need to make sure that you write this all down. Area is a multiplication problem. So you need to go length, which is 7, and then times the width, which is 6. And 7 times 6 is 42. You need to make sure that you write your equation. So your area is 42. So this is your answer right here, 42. All right, so now we are going to work on the perimeter. Okay, so now perimeter is going to tell us we need to label all of the sides. So 7, if 7 is at the top, 7 will also be across the bottom. If 6 is on the left-hand side, 6 needs to be on the right-hand side. So then we're going to add up all of our sides. So we're going to go 7 plus 7 and 6 plus 6. So we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, line your digits up. You notice that my 4 and my 2 are on top of each other, and my one group of 10 and my one group of 10 are on top of each other. Make sure they're lined up and add them up. So now I have 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. My perimeter then is 26. Okay, so that would be my perimeter. That's the answer to my perimeter. Okay. Next problem. You're going to look at what are the first 3 multiples of a number. So, what are the first 3 multiples of, and we're going to use the number 8, question mark. Okay, so you're going to find the first 3 multiples of 8. So this means you're going to skip count by 8. So the first 3 multiples are 8, 16, and 24. And then you need to restate the question. 8, 16, and 24 are the first 3 multiples of 8. Period. All right, so now what you need to do is you need to go and grab your independent work. Go grab it. And pick a I guess I forgot to have you do a square. Let's do a square. I'm going to have you do a square. We will look at a square here. And we will solve for a square. Okay, so on your piece of paper, we're going to do a perfect square. And squares are special rectangles because all the sides are equal. So if this is 9, we know that all the other sides, the top is 9, and then 9. So we know that. We know that all the sides are 9. So our length, so if we're measuring area, so if we have area on this guy, we know that it's a multiplication problem, and we're going to multiply the length and the width. So our length is 9, and our width is 9, So that's going to equal 81. Okay? So our perimeter then is going to be adding up all of the sides. So then you have 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. And so 9 plus 9 is 18, so this will be 36. Okay, that'll be everything. I'll see you on the next video. Grab your independent work, bang that out. Please turn it in. I would like to see some of my independent work for group 1 to start moving out. You guys need to move out. You are stuck. Okay, bye.